The fear of breaking down in your RV or your van is a very real thing. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 things that you can do to take that fear away. First, I'm going to show you how to use your manual. Second, I'm going to show you how to use a very simple OBD reader. And when you know how to use these 2 things, you will replace your fear with empowerment. So imagine this. You're driving down the road and your check engine light comes on. So what is your first instinct? Pull over and panic, right? Well, no, I'm going to agree with you. You need to pull over. But after you finish watching this video, you'll see why you'll never need to panic again. Safely pulled over, grab your manual and refresh your memory on what you should do. Have your vehicle checked as soon as possible. So what did that really tell you? Nothing. So I want better answers than that. So without knowing and hoping that I would never need this little device, I learned that it was the best investment that I could have made. It gave me peace of mind, and it told me exactly what my problem was, as you'll soon hear. You can find the link to this exact one in the description box below. Is an OBD Reader II. Now, before you think this is a sales pitch, let me be clear. I don't care if you use the link in my description or go buy one on your own. My only goal here is to show you that this device is not some expensive, complicated piece of equipment. In fact, they're affordable and they're a lot cheaper than having to go to the shop and have it diagnosed on their computer. Just think of it like this. What you have in your hand is, in fact, a computer. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works in real time, and I hope I don't mess it up, so bear with me, but let's go. I want to show you first where it goes, so there's no mystery about that. Okay, here it is right here. Just going to open up my little compartment right there, and if you look real closely, you can see that there is a computer-looking thing right in there. And so this simply goes in here and hooks on right there, just like that. It's not hooked up right now because I have to have the key on when I actually do this diagnosis. And so let me reposition myself and we'll do it real time. I have it in there, and the app that I have, it's on my phone. And so I just need to open the app and it will automatically try to find it. If you can see that, it's pairing right now. Also, it will, I have this already hooked up on mine, but the first time you put it in, it will ask you, or it'll read the VIN number on your vehicle to make sure it has the right one. So once I paired it up, this is the screen that comes up. You have a lot of options here. Check engine, check all systems, a custom scan, emissions monitors, service checks. You have a lot of choices on here, but right now we're just going to do the check engine. And that's going to do a scan. It's discovering my vehicle on. It may take a few minutes, it says. And this it reads my mileage, and it wants me to generate the report. So it's hooked up to my vehicle. It knows who I am. It just put in my mileage, which you can see I have 80,891, which is exactly how much I have. And then the report comes up just like that. And if you read right across the top, it says that engine OBD II scan and no codes found. So I have no problems with my van right now. Now, if you had a problem, it would show it right there. And you can go through all of the details of what it is. And that's what I did when I had my breakdown, and it was there and it was correct. So I want you just to see how simple that was to put that in there, and how easy it is to find out what your diagnosis actually is. So that was a kind of a little separate part of this video. And now we'll get back to the main content. Well, I hope that was clear to you and you could see how easy it is really to use. So this is my experience when I needed it. I was in the desert and my van would not drive forward. It would start, it would run, and it would back up just a few feet, but it wouldn't go forward at all. So let me just be clear here. My engine light did not come on. So it apparently isn't covered. The problem I had wasn't covered in the engine light problem. but I knew I had a problem. So for a moment, I went into panic mode, and then I remembered that I had my little reader. So I got it out and I put it in, and it told me exactly what the problem was. So that whole night that I had to wait, I had no dread. I knew what it was. I actually Googled what the part was. I could see that it wasn't that expensive, and I just had a good night, and I was relieved that I knew the problem, and I had the confidence that I was going to be able to get it fixed. So I called the nearest Ford dealership, and I told them exactly what I needed. I asked them if they had the part, and they didn't say to me, well, I'll have to check it first, because I already knew what the problem was. And I was right. They had the part, and they got it fixed the next day. So there you have it. You now have the knowledge and the tools to face that check engine light or any other mysterious code. It doesn't have to actually be the check engine light, but when something else happens, you can just plug that little thing in and you will know with confidence and no panic. You don't have to wait hours trying to figure out what's the matter and having that thing going on, if you know what I mean. You can just know the answer just in a few minutes. So that is true solar senior empowerment. I want to hear from you. What is the most stressful thing that has happened to you on the road? Tell me in the comments below. And if you want to grab the exact OBD reader, again, it's in my Amazon storefront in the description. Now, you might be asking, however, okay, Pam figured out what the code was and she knew it had to be done, but how did she get from the desert to the Ford dealership if her van wouldn't run? Well, that's a great story, and it leads us directly into a major topic that we're going to cover in my next video, towing and what you need to know as a solar traveler. So click on the video on the screen here on the right, and I'll see you there.